What's up, my royal flush? It is I, J Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I'm back for another video. It is Monday night, and I deeply apologize, y'all, for not uploading Monday. It's just I've had so much to do lately because I just became full-time at my job. If y'all do not know, I work at Walmart, and I just became full-time there, and I'm kind of excited about it because it is literally like technically my first full-time job. Yeah, so a couple of years ago I've had multiple jobs, like even I've had like maybe 3 full-time jobs at one time. I mean 3 part-time jobs at one time. So this is technically my first time full-time job with full benefits and everything, and I'm actually really excited about it. In today's video is going to be a little mask time chit chat talk, y'all, like of how I've been doing, like certain makeup products that I purchased lately, and I'm going to be filming a review on soon, and just some upcoming things that's coming up on my channel as well. So if you guys are into that type of thing, makeup, anything like that, if you guys are into that type of thing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because it is greatly appreciated. And also hit that bell notification button as well to be notified for my future uploads, and also hit that thumbs up button as well. And with that being said, let's just get into this video. So for my mask today, I'm about to do the Garnier Skin Active mask because the blue one was breaking me out, y'all. So the blue one was breaking me out, and I did not like that. It was like it had to be breaking me out because once I started using this one again, I started using this again because I noticed it probably was the blue one. I don't know what it was that could have been breaking me out, but so yeah, it's just been really like breaking me out. I don't know what the hell was going on with it. It's just been breaking me out, y'all. So I'm about to set the timer for 10 minutes. I think I'm going to do one of these like every week, like at least one video of like a little mask time chit chat video. So some things that I purchased lately. I purchased like a whole list of like things from Morphe, like I told you guys in my Morphe video, that I was going to purchase a lot of things from Morphe, which I actually did, and they should be here tomorrow, and I won't be able to film a video on that until Thursday, and tonight is Monday night, so I won't be able to film a video until Thursday. I ordered the new Pro Matte foundation from LA Girl, and also the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation because I wanted to try it for the longest. They do have my shade, like, you know, but they could go in deeper shades in both foundations, honestly, because the Illuminating Pro one from LA Girl is actually has a lot of like deeper shades as well. So I feel like they can go deeper. They can. So like things that I bought from the drugstore lately, I'm going to go pick them up real quick and I'll be right back, y'all. Okay guys, so I'm back, and actually it's been over 10 minutes because yeah, like I was doing some other stuff. But I'm about to set a timer for another 10 minutes, and we're going to talk about these products. I'm going to talk about these products in about like 10 minutes. So the first thing I wanted to say I picked up is the Milani Blush in Dolce Pink. Now, I've been like hearing about the Luminoso blush, but I didn't see that. So I saw Dolce Pink, which is a pretty peachy pink color. You know, that I thought would be like really cute, and it also has a nice shimmer to it as well. So I'm about to just swatch it for y'all right here. So as you can see, it's like it gave my hand like a. Let me do it again, and it's baked. It's baked as well, so it gave, like, you see that right there. Like, I know y'all can see that, and it gave my, like, you know, my hand a little nice little peachy sheen to it. The next thing I want to pick up is the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. Now, I wanted to try this mascara because, like, I always see it all over the drugstore. I mean, all over Walmart. And Maybelline has like 2 sets that they have. And I was like, okay, and one of them was about lashes, like 2 stands, and one of them about lashes, and it was advertising this. And I'm like, okay, I really want to grab it this time. So I did, so I had to go pick it up. Also, if y'all want a February favorites or I'm definitely going to be doing a March favorites, most definitely, because I have a lot of stuff that I picked up that I know I'm going to love from the drugstore. The next thing I picked up is the Milani Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Blossom Glow. I don't know how to open this shit. Like, it's like the tape is fucking on here hard as fuck. Okay. Okay, so I can finally open it and swatch it for y'all. So this is how it looks. Well, this is how it looks like this. And I'm just going to... I heard my Wet n Wild highlighters are really good. Ooh, this is pretty. Pretty accurate, because this is really pretty. So I cannot wait to try this out. So the next thing I want to talk about is my Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation in the shade number 11 Amber. I picked up another one because I love this foundation, as y'all know. And they didn't have my actual shade, Golden Tan. They only had Amber. So I'm like, Amber's close enough. I could just brighten it with some concealer. It's no really, you know, it's not really that big of a deal. So I just had to go pick this up. It was like $8 as well, but online it's like $12. So I had to go pick this up. You already know how I feel about this. So the next thing I want to say I picked up is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. Now the reason why I picked this up is because Bree Marie on Instagram and YouTube, she talks about this. She said this is the only lash glue she uses and all this other shit. And another good thing is it does not have latex in it, which, like, you know, latex sometimes can make your eyes itchy, but like a lot of people just ignore it. I know that happened to me several times and I just ignored it. But let me put some fucking moisturizer on my lips. Damn, I'm talking on my lips dry and shit. Damn. Okay, y'all, so my battery died, which is a clear problem that I'm slowly trying to fix. I just ordered something that could help me. I'm about to rub the rest of the fucking mask in, because basically it is just one fucking moisturizer. So, yeah, so I am planning on fixing that to help eliminate that problem. What time is it? 1:04. I gotta get this wrapped up. Okay, y'all, so that's pretty much why I picked up this lash glue, and moving on. Now, the next thing I want to talk about are 3 or 4 things, which is the LA Colors Drama Lash, that's what the fuck I'm gonna call it, Drama Lash lashes in the style Diva, which are some wispy lashes, and they were 5 for $1, which is like 3 packs of lash glues and then 1 lash. So I had to pick that up as well. Who can't beat that? And then I actually kind of like this lash glue. So the next thing I wanted to talk about are the Ardell Wispy Lashes. Now, a lot of people talk about these lashes. They've been talked about for years, so I really won't go into detail. But I had to pick them up because he Flawless loves these lashes. I see him wear them all the time. But I'm also a big fan of mink lashes. I'm a very big fan of, y'all see, I be always having some mink lashes on, but I'm going to try wispy lashes as well, like now. So the next thing I want to talk about is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, the purple one. Now I wanted to try more like arty type looks with like different type of colors and stuff. I want the NYX Vivid Lights eyeliners. I'm probably about to buy them next week, because I really want them just to, like, you know, to make my look more out there, more a pop of color, stuff like that. So I had to pick this up just to try it, just to see if I like it. When I swatched it, I really did not like the swatch like that. It was actually a very terrible swatch. So the next thing I want to talk about is, y'all, is the Wet n Wild Liquid Cat Suits. Y'all, I had to pick up 2 of these, of course, in red and blue. First of all, I picked up blue, like a bright electric, like a bright electric red, because like I don't really have a color like this, and I'm starting to get into liquid lipsticks more instead of like more glosses. But I always add a glossy coat on top of it. I always have to. But I want to try a blue color because like I always see Neon MUA, Darius. He always does like different lips. Like people would say that wouldn't go well with his skin tone, but like he uses them as a pop and they're so cute on him, like different colors like this. I don't know if I've seen him with a blue before. I probably did. If I did, I'll leave his pictures up on the side over here. Yeah, his art is amazing. Y'all should definitely go follow him on Twitter, by the way. But I thought of him when I picked these colors up as well. So yeah, so I'm going to probably make a, like, you know, kind of like a Wet n Wild review once the foundations get here. So that concludes today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because you will not be disappointed in my future uploads. And also hit that bell notification button as well to be notified for my future uploads. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video.